Hi guys! Today we're going to do a Wolverine drawing tutorial. This is the very first appearance of Wolverine on the Bears Just Colby. I drew him last time. Oh yeah, if you didn't watch my Colby drawing tutorial, I had this. Ring that bell, subscribe, and comment below. Happy face, thumbs up. Same on the other side, happy face, thumbs up. So, let's get started. Don't care about that Colby thing. Don't look at it. We're going to focus on drawing Wolverine. Comment below who's your favorite X-Men. This is my third X-Men drawing tutorial. My first was, I'm pretty sure, Cyclops, and then I went Iceman. That was like 2 months ago. But then I took a break of YouTube videos, came back. No, that was like the Iceman Cyclops drawing tutorial was like 5 months ago when I took a break for 3 months, went back to making YouTube videos. I was back from making YouTube videos for 2 months. It's soon 3 months. On April 8th. We have to zoom it back when you can see the legs. Wow, it took me way longer to draw this guy than Colby. It took me like 1 minute to draw Colby and 1 minute to color him. But Wolverine has way more detail. Colby's small. I just drew Colby because he's one of my favorite he is my favorite Nintendo character that ever got made. Yoshi is second. Comment below if you want me to do like any other Wolverine suits. Or if there's like guys I never drew before and you want me to draw them. Because there's tons of guys I didn't draw yet and I want to draw them. Like I want to do like War Machine. I want to do, who else do I want? I'll tell you that for now. That's good. I missed some stuff. He has some yellow up here. Some white yellow right here. And some yellow right here. Now it's blue time, bro. Oh, if you don't know what Wolverine is, he's a really cool X-Men. And his first appearance, I'm pretty sure, was in one of the Hulk comics. Comment below if you like my Wolverine character. Comment below if you think this guy looks like this guy. Ring that bell. Comment, subscribe, and comment below. Comment below if I look like this guy. Bye.